Show you guys how to turn this into this. So on your right side you got your socks, your PT gear, and your military t-shirt. I'm gonna show you guys how to fold them so you'll be great for boot camp. So we're gonna get right into it. Alright, so first I'm gonna start off with the socks. You want your socks to finish to look like this. And this is how you're gonna start off. Let me just move these socks out the way. Alright, move the camera. So what you wanna do, you see how they lay down? You actually wanna flip it over to the left side. So you want your socks, if you can see that, I'm gonna lift the camera up. You want your socks to be pointing that way. And then you're gonna lay them over top of each other. So you got them laying over top of each other, correct? Y'all following me? Y'all tracking? You got them laying over top of each other. And when you lay them over top of each other, you want a little bit, you want the top sock to be a little bit over, even a little bit more than that. Boom, just like that. Now the next step is just to flip this over halfway. Bam. Now all you're gonna do from there is just roll them up. So I'm gonna show you guys. But you wanna keep this tight. The key is to keep this tight so you get that nice, perfect smiley face. So what I usually do, or what I did in boot camp, I put my foot right at the top. See how tight it is? I'm pulling it, and I'm just rolling that thing up, making it nice and tight. Nice and tight. And you just keep rolling it. Nice and tight. Alright, now once you get to the top, it's gonna look like that. I don't see, is it focusing? Come on, focus on me. Alright. So that's what it's gonna look like. All you're gonna do is just open the mouth up and pull it back. So if you can see, you just pull it back. And then you got your nice, clean, smiley face. You see that? And then in the back, you don't want no extra. You want this all nice, tight, and compressed. And that's how you fold the socks. Alright, so you got the shorts in front of you. What you're gonna do now, is gonna flip it over, one leg at a time. Boop. Next step gonna be to flip it over again. The shorts are so simple. Boop. And you're gonna flip over. Look. 2 perfect shorts. I'm telling you, man, you're gonna be killing the game when you get to boot camp, man. This little cheat sheet, showing you guys how to do it early. So when you get there, you wanna get it to look like this. So now let's lay it out in front like so. And get right into it, man. You see it? I'm gonna lay it right in front. Make sure y'all can see that. Bam. Alright, so the first step. This one, the t-shirt might be the most difficult out of the socks and the PT shorts. And all the shirts is folded the same. Let me rephrase that. All the t-shirts is folded the same. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab it from the bottom. You're gonna grab them 2 corners from the bottom. You're gonna bring it up. You're gonna go a little bit over the neck. A little bit, slightly. Bam. I'm gonna bring it down some so you can see that. You're gonna bring it a little bit. Don't go way over like this. Don't go too short right here. Go a little bit over the neck. And don't be perfect either. Go a little bit over. Bam. Now, next step. Bring both of these arms across. Oop, bada bang. Alright. There's a lot of part that got people yelled at. Now when you fold in the shirt, you don't want to go too over. Just like I said with this part, you don't want to go too over. So when you fold in this back, you don't want to go too over. You want to go just about right here. So let me grab that. Bam. You want to go short on this part. You want to go short on this part. You want to go high on this part. This part you're going to be even. There you go. Now all you're going to do is, this might confuse you, I don't know why. But all you're going to do is flip this over now. And actually I'm going to explain it to you. And now you're going to fold it halfway. Bam. Now your RDCs, when you get to boot camp, they want it folded. They want you to flip that over for a specific reason. That's because when you fold it, they want it layered like a cake. So let me bring this in closer so you can see. They want it layered like a cake. And you're gonna hear this. Hide your fat girls, keep out your skinny girls. So you see it, skinny, fat, fat, skinny? That's how they want it in boot camp. That's the reason why I flipped it. And that's how you fold your t-shirts, your PT shorts, and your socks. I don't think it's any point in me showing you how to fold the PT shirt, because it's the same, man. Like I said, this is all you gotta worry about. The skinny, fat, fat, skinny. And that's it. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. That's how you fold your military socks, your military shirt, and your PT gear. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'm trying to teach you guys the tool to get ahead of the game in boot camp, man. This will help you if you're trying to fly under the radar or you're trying to go above and beyond. I'm going to post more videos. Like I said, my YouTube channel is going to consist of wave videos in the Navy. So that was a short video showing you guys how to fold your military clothing. Now if you got any questions, I'm going to show you guys how to fold more clothing. I'm going to show you guys how to fold your N-dubs. I'm going to show you guys how to fold your Parker. I'm going to show you guys how to fold your raincoat. I'm going to help you guys out, man. Relax. I'm going to make sure y'all a set sailor. I'm going to make sure y'all an A-grade Navy sailor, man. I'm trying my best to be one myself, so. And I'm going to show you guys what not to do. So my growing pains, you guys don't have to go through. And that's it, man. Papa Mar out. Like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate you guys for watching. So if you are still watching, salute to you. Thanks for supporting. All that good stuff. I do respond to comments. Like I said, I'm going to try to post 3 days a week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If not, I'm posting. It might not have a set time like that, but it's going to be post 3 days a week. So thank you. Papa Mar out.